Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to read Chapter 9 of Mrs. Roopy is Loopy, and this chapter is called Mrs. Roopy's Problem. Something was wrong with Andrea. She wasn't raising her hand in class every second. She wasn't bragging to everybody how much she knew about everything. She wasn't pestering me like she usually did. It was like she was sick or something. "What's the matter, Andrea?" Emily asked her during recess. "I'm worried about Mrs. Roopy," Andrea said. "I'm afraid she might have a serious personal problem." "You're the one with the serious personal problem," I said. "Mrs. Roopy is like the coolest lady in the history of the world. Would you rather have some boring librarian who didn't dress up in costumes or anything, and all she did was read boring books to us?" "No, but my mother is a psychologist," Andrea said. "She told me that some sick people have more than one personality. Like 1 minute they think they are one person, and a minute later they actually think they are somebody completely. The whole time they actually think they are all these people. I'm afraid that Mrs. Roopy might have this problem. She can't tell the difference between the real world and fantasy." "Wow," Michael said. "That sounds pretty serious." "We've got to help her," Emily said. "Yeah," I said. "A librarian who doesn't know the difference between fiction and nonfiction," okay, just a second, "is in big trouble." "But what can we do?" Ryan asked. We all put on our thinking caps. Well, not really. There's no such thing as a thinking cap. But you know what I mean. After a good long think, I came up with a great plan.